What's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you guys my favorite and essential technology items. Let's go. As you guys can see, I'm a new channel, so I would very much appreciate you guys to hit that subscribe button because I will be bringing you guys some interesting, cool, and fun topics. Okay, but before I start, I have probably the most essential item known to mankind. That was a mistake. Brain freeze. But listen, when you live in Florida, you've got to hydrate, and that's essential. The first technology item on this list is actually the one I'm looking into right now to see and talk to you guys. That item is my favorite camera, the GoPro Hero 8. Now, maybe eventually I may get an actual real camera, but for right now, I love the GoPro. I can use it for stuff like this. I can use it to record some action. I can use it to record drone stuff. I can use it if I'm at the swimming pool. I can use it if I'm at the beach. I can use it if I'm in the mountains. I can use it if I'm in the woods. I can use it if I'm on military training. I can use it for whatever. I can mount it to my ACH while I'm on the M249 range or doing demo. I can do it. I love the GoPro Hero 8. So that's my first item. The next item on this list, and these items are in no particular order, but the next item is this. Next to water, it's probably the most essential piece of technology. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And I have the outer box case here. So yeah, I like the outer box, nice and sleek. I forgot which model this is, but it's an outer box phone case, guys. My next essential piece of technology is this. No, not my wrist. This, the Apple Watch Series 5. Do you guys say Apple Watch or iWatch? Potatoes or potatoes? Tomatoes or tomatoes? Just curious. But this is my next essential piece of technology, probably because it coincides with this thing. These things work together. They work together. Actually, I think I prefer the Garmin GPS watches simply because, in my opinion, they're more rugged and they definitely have better battery time. For example, when I used to have the Garmin watch, I think it was the Garmin Phoenix, one of the Garmin Phoenixes, I could go on 2 weeks of military training, charge the thing one time, and I'd be good. With this thing, I've got to charge it every single night. However, I can talk on it, I can use it as a phone. If I end up losing my iPhone, like I do pretty often, I can just say, find my iPhone. And in a matter of seconds,
it's nearby. Pinging Picasso's iPhone.
Oh, there it is. Another thing I like about this is that no, I'm not talking to you. It's listening and Siri, hey, no, okay, that's enough. Another thing I like about this watch is that it gives me another alarm source. So I can set an alarm on my phone and I can set an additional alarm on my watch. So if I want to set 2 alarms, I can just set one on the phone and one on the watch. Also, I love the GPS capability to be able to track my runs, my run times, miles, maps, all that stuff. So this is another essential piece of technology. Now listen, I'm a fan of technology. While most people would prefer to go to Disneyland, Brazil, Spain, France, the Bahamas, Las Vegas, I prefer to go to Best Buy. If I could just get back half of the money I spent at Best Buy, I could probably buy a house. And I know there are some people that hate technology and they're like, oh, well, why do we need technology? What do we need technology for? Okay, well, let's see how much you enjoy taking a mule to work. Or when it gets hot, doing this for 24 hours a day. Or when you want to listen to music, travel miles and miles and miles away to listen to Mozart play a piece. Or when you want entertainment, instead of just picking up the remote and flipping the television on, you gotta go into town and find a juggler or something like that, when I could just go on YouTube and type in juggling. If you guys just randomly found me, I'm curious, just let me know how you came across this video. If you're watching this video, the 10 of y'all that may see this video, just let me know how you came across it. I thank God for technology, and I love technology. I couldn't be speaking to you guys right now from in my living room without technology. It's because of technology that I can sit here in my living room and speak to you guys, wherever you guys are. On that note, please leave a comment. Tell me where you guys are from, where you guys are watching this video from. Bro, I just did the thing. Okay, so the next item on this list goes hand in hand with my GoPro. Ta-da! The DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm not super stoked about this camera. Maybe I don't understand it that well, but I've been having trouble downloading 4K videos from this camera to my iPhone. I don't like that. I ain't feeling that. However, I still like this little camera. I like that I have a camera that's this small that can shoot in 4K, and I'm pretty satisfied and happy with the quality. So this is another essential piece of technology for me, the DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, to go hand in hand with my iPhone and my iWatch, you gotta have these. There's a little Allen wrench that's... These are my AirPod Pros, and they're definitely an essential piece of technology for me. My favorite feature of the AirPod Pros is the noise cancellation. With the previous AirPods, when I went to the gym, I would have to deal with the weight clanging and the people chattering and all the extracurricular conversations going on. But once I put these things on and I activate the noise cancellation, peace and quiet. It's just me and my workout. So yes, the AirPod Pros. The next item on the list is an item that's essential to transport items. Here is my Peak Design backpack. So in this backpack, I keep another essential item. And as I position this bag to open just the top, I will show you the next essential piece of technology on this list. In this little box here is my DJI Mavic Air 2. And you guys, if you've seen my videos, you have seen the initial flight of this. This is my favorite drone right now. And as you guys can see right there, it says Mavic Air 2. If I'm going to the beach, if I'm going to the park, if I'm going anywhere that I am legally able to fly a drone, I'll take a drone. Family events, family gatherings, picnics, and I just want to get some epic shots or videos, I'll take this guy, the DJI Mavic Air 2. This drone pretty much satisfies all of my droning needs. I actually sold my Mavic 2 Pro because I got this guy, and it just meets my needs, the DJI Mavic Air 2. Okay guys, well that concludes another video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you guys receive a notification every time I post another video. And if you enjoyed this video, give this bad boy a thumbs up. And until next time guys, I'll see y'all in the next video.